Today's topic is understanding elementary shapes. Here, this is north, south, east, west. It is called clockwise. We have 90 degree in this. Again, one more clockwise. From here to here, if you take, it is called straight line because it is 180 degree. So, in 180 degree or straight line, how many right angle we have? 2 right angle. It is 1 right angle. This is 2 right angle. Suppose this is north to south means we have straight angle or 2 right angle we have. So, north to west we want to take turn. So, we have 3 right angle. This is 1 right angle. Second right angle, third right angle. So, we have 3 right angle we have. So, in this 3 right angle also is called clockwise. We have clockwise. So, we have 3 right angle turn we have taken. Suppose in the watch we have here 9 o'clock. In 9 o'clock the watch needle is moving from this side only, so that only it is called clockwise. Here also we have clockwise in this. So 9 o'clock we have a right angle turn 3 from 12 to 3 1, 3 to 6 1, 6 to 9 1. So 3 right angle we have taken, so that remaining portion we got now 9 o'clock. So already same position only I have kept here. So in this position we have 3 right angle shapes. Suppose we need now it is 9:15. 9:15 means straight angle 1 we have. This side also we have straight angle. So we have 2 right angle. Here from here to here 1, here to here 1. So 2 right angle is called 1 straight line. Suppose now 9:45. We can take now 9:45 like this. We have here 1 right angle, 2 right angle, 3 right angle, 4 right angle. So it is called complete angle. Or 12 o'clock we take also, it is called 1 complete angle. 1 complete angle means we will get 360 degree in this. Then we will take now 12:15. 12:15 means only 1 right angle we have. It is 90 degree, 1 right angle. 12:30. Here 12:30. 12:30 we have 2 right angle. This is 1 right angle. This is 1 right angle. So we have straight line 180 degree in clockwise. So we have taken 2 right turn. 2 right turn we have taken. That's why it is 12:30. So 12:30 means we have half of revolution or 2 right angle. Half of revolution. Suppose we take 12:45. 12:45 we take. We have 3 right angle in clockwise, otherwise 3/4 of revolution, or we can take 3 right angle. Exercise 5.2. First question is, what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9. First question. So here 3 to 9. This is 3 o'clock. So 3 to 9. This is 3 to 9. If it is goes like this, what revolution it does? From year to year we have to start. So this is first right angle, this is second right angle. So 2 right angle if it is there, this is half of revolution. It has taken. First question. Second question is from 4 to 7. So now 4 o'clock I will adjust. This is now 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock it has to come. 6 o'clock, then it is 7 o'clock. So 4 o'clock it was like this, now it becomes 7 o'clock. So remaining gap, how much we got it in this from year to year? So it is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. 15 minutes means it is quarter revolution. Quarter means 1/4 of revolution we got it. Because we got it here 15 minutes. In this hour, 3 hours we got. 3 hours, suppose 12 o'clock, 12 to 3 means from year to year 3 hours we got it. Same like that from year to year also we got 3 hours. So we got quarter revolution. Third question is from 7 to 10 o'clock. Here 7 to 10. We have here 7 already. So 10 o'clock means from year to year we have to get. So I will adjust now. This is 8 o'clock. It is 9. 10. So how many hours we got it here? From year to year 3 hours. 3 hours means we will get quarter revolution. Otherwise 1 right angle. 1 right angle is called quarter revolution. Same like this you have to do from 12 to 9 o'clock. How many? And 1 to 10, 6 to 3. Second question, where will the hand of a clock stop if it starts at 12 and make off of a revolution clockwise? Suppose we take this from 12 to off of the clockwise. So this now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this needle from year to year of revolution we got it. Now what is the time now? 6 o'clock. So first answer is 6 o'clock. Second name, first answer 6 o'clock. Second question, same like that. 2 it will start and half revolution you should make, and what is the time you have to tell. C1 start at 5 and 1/4 of revolution. What is the time? We'll check now. Start with 5. Start with 5 now. We have to take 1/4 revolution. That means from here to this. So this is 6. Then 7. Now 8. From 5 to 8, 1/4 revolution we got it. So we got now 8 o'clock. Second you do homework. Third one 8 o'clock. Same like that. Fourth one you do, children.